From defending top Lyceum guns in CJ Perez and MJAE, Bong Quinto now turns his focus into defending something more personal. His thesis. Playing his final collegiate game following Letran's 109-85 loss to Lyceum in the semifinals of the NCAA season 94, Quinto hopes that he'll get his bearings back quickly to defend his paper back in their school. He can only hope that his partnership with JP Calvo will work better in this aspect. Di ko alam yung pakiramdam ay. Di ko alam gagawin ko. Di ko makapag focus kasi after nito may thesis pa kami, defense namin mamaya, said Quinto. Dalawa kami ni JP, kami ang magka group mamaya, he added. The thesis defense will come after a horrific game against the Pirates, where Quinto was limited to just 12 points, though he did get 7 assists and 6 rebounds in the loss. Quinto was pretty hard on himself after the loss, saying that he should have done a better job leading the team with Calvo out. Di ko in-expect na ganon yung lalaruin ko ay. Kumbaga wala kong natulong sa team namin yung laban na kasi yun nga, inasahan ako sa team natin, lalo na si Coach Jeff inasahan ako, said Quinto. Nakadagdag pa yun nga, nangyari kay Toto, Calvo. Kasi di makadating saman yung bola sa baba ay. Kaya di kami makapag set ng play namin. Pero yun nga, di naman excuse yun kasi pinagandan talaga kami ng Lyceum. Story nga ng game yun sakin talaga. Kundi ganon nilaro ko, siguro hindi ganon yung nangyari. Quinto said that he couldn't bear to look at the crowd after the loss, but he assures everyone that he'll always be backing Letran long after his playing years. Alam ko talaga sa sarili ko na ano isa ako sa mga malaking reason kung bakit natalo kami kasi yun nga performance ko di ganon. Di yun yung in-expect ng eskwelahan namin. Di ako makatingin sa mga crowd, di ako makaiyak alam mo yun? Quinto said. Parang di ko alam kung paano ako haharap sa eskwelahan namin. Natapos na yung sitwasyon sabi nga nila naman pagkatalo naman pero bawi na lang siguro. Kasi matutulong ko na lang sa team naman next year yung suporta ay,